Okay, so we are on the way. The weather's not looking that bad, I guess. I got the man here, the Faroese man that knows this place like the back of his hand. Hey, that rhymed. So, we'll see what happens. Maybe we can get some footage of him flying. I don't know if I'm gonna fly. We'll see. I look funny, don't I? Alright, see you later. Okay, very windy. My buddy on his 14. This is insane. Ah, it's so cool. Little wing. This ridge is probably about 30 feet wide, and he's gonna soar. It's like blowing close to 30 miles an hour, and he's just gonna demonstrate a little bit. It's incredible. Oh. It's so windy. That is incredible, man. Can't even get down, man. It's so windy. Oh my gosh, it's windy. Alrighty, so we were we just experienced pair parking with a 14 Scorpion. He could have top landed if he could move, but he wasn't able to move, so he wasn't able to top land. Wow, how did you get down?
Just a little bit rich.
Oh man, it looked almost like you were gonna do like a bee stall or something. Yeah, that was insane. But this guy is local here, so he knows what he's doing, and this wing is pretty solid.
Fazer!
Yeah! Yeah!